This Bentley Continental Mansory GT63 came in from Dubai to the Prasads Automotive, needing utmost care and attention. For 3 months, our skilled artisans poured their expertise into restoring this automotive masterpiece, transforming it into a symbol of unrivaled magnificence. At the Prasads Automotive, tailored elegance meets affordability without compromising on high-quality service, diagnosis, and repairs. Experience the pinnacle of automotive luxury with the restoration of this Bentley Continental Mansory GT63, demonstrating the perfect harmony of passion, skill, and dedication of the Prasads Automotive.